How to send money using Zelle on the PNC app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will tell you everything about how you can send money using Zelle on the PNC app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here you simply have to log into your PNC mobile app using the PNC online banking user ID and password, and after that you simply have to tap on send money with Zelle, and there you have to read the introductory screens and then tap on get started and agree to the terms of use and choose a US mobile number or email to enroll, and you may need to verify each. And if you previously enrolled with Jenny at another bank using the same info, you'll be prompted to transfer the details to PNC. And there you just have to choose which PNC account you want to link, like personal checking or the virtual wallet. And after that, you just have to review enrollment data and then tap on submit. And with that, from the app menu, you just have to tap on send money with Zelle, and there you just have to select or manually enter your received US mobile number, email, or scan their Jelly QR code. And after that, you just have to enter the amount, optionally add a memo, and then tap on review and confirm recipient info and amount, and then tap on send. And when successful, tap all done. And if the recipient is not enrolled, the payment will show as pending and can be cancelled via your Zelle activity page. And there, once they enrolled, you can cancel before it completes. And if they are already enrolled, the payment will be sent instantly and cannot be cancelled. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.